James Gibson. I'm a soloist on board AIDA Diva. I started studying musical theatre when I was about 20 years old. I'd always enjoyed singing from a young age. At school we used to put on shows and such, and I just thought, why not? I think that the level of the productions is very high. They are very professional. AIDA, I think, are very well known, especially in the German cruise market, for the quality of their shows. If you look at what they do with the stage movements, the lighting, the LED content, all of this stuff. Our new rock show, we've got this concept where we're going to be filmed on the stage by a member of the TV team, and the whole idea is like you're watching backstage at, a Rolling Stones gig or something like this. I think that that's what makes it exciting, because I think a lot of times, yes, you can just stand and sing and dance, but it's great to have this kind of extra layer on top of it.